Okay, welcome everybody to the Literature Keystone overview of nonfiction. And much like the fiction portion of things, you still have passages, multiple choice questions, and constructed responses. A quick review, we need to be clear, complete, accurate, relevant, and specific when we are writing those constructed responses. And if the constructed response question asks you to do more than one thing, don't forget to do more than one thing. Okay, let's practice. So first, we have a passage called The Old Order Changes by A.A. Milne, who was known for the Winnie the Pooh books, but this is like a personal essay that is not fictional, but written in a literature style of writing, almost like narrative nonfiction. So it is a couple slides long and then followed by the multiple choice questions. Now is when you'll want to pause this video so that you can read. And here's the second portion of the same passage. Go ahead and pause the video so that you can read this. Okay, so I think you'll notice a lot of similarities between the questions for fiction and nonfiction. First question is, which word is a synonym for the word articulate as used in the passage? Number two, which statement best explains the effect on Milne after seeing Jane waving goodbye? Number three, the suffix "ic" helps the reader know the word sarcastic means. Number four, which detail from the passage best represents how Celia feels about Milne's concern about the cup? Number five, which element of the setting adds emphasis to Milne's problem? Number six, which sentence from the passage best supports the generalization that people wish to avoid confrontation? Number seven, what is the main conflict in the passage? Number eight is a little bit different in that it gives you a list of events from the story, and one of those bullet points has a blank where you are supposed to look at the choices from A to Z and decide which is the missing part. Go ahead and complete number 8 now. Okay, and last multiple choice question for this passage. How does the author's use of personal essay as a literary form affect the meaning of the passage? Okay, so now we're on to the constructed response, and here is the question. Read the sentence from the passage, well, if she likes it that way, let it be. Analyze the significance of the sentence to the passage. Use information from the passage to support your analysis. Okay, so here we are looking at 3 samples of student writing and deciding how each of these would be scored. It's probably pretty easy for you to tell which score this would get of 3, 2, or 1. Score now. Okay, next one. How would this score? 3, 2, or 1? And finally, how would you score this answer?